The Dreame H12 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is a cordless vacuum mop designed to efficiently clean hard floors by combining both vacuuming and mopping in a single device. It offers smart floor cleaning features and is ideal for users who want a comprehensive solution for maintaining their floors with minimal effort. Key features: 1. Wet and dry cleaning. The Dreame H12 Pro is an all-in-one vacuum mop, meaning it vacuum cleans dust and debris while simultaneously mopping your hard floors, providing a thorough clean with just one device. It can handle both wet and dry messes, making it versatile for everyday spills, dirt, pet hair, and even sticky spots. 2. Cordless Design. Cord-free operation allows you to clean freely without the hassle of tangled cords or finding power outlets, making it perfect for large areas or spaces without easy access to outlets. 3. One-step edge-to-edge cleaning. The edge-to-edge cleaning feature ensures that no area is missed, including corners and along walls. This provides a complete clean in just one pass, making it more efficient than traditional vacuuming and mopping. 4. Smart floor cleaner technology. The Dreame H12 Pro is equipped with smart technology that optimizes the cleaning process. It adjusts suction power and water usage based on the type of dirt and floor surface, ensuring the best cleaning performance while saving energy and water. 5. Hot air drying. The hot air drying feature helps in drying the mop pads quickly after use, preventing odors, and ensuring your mop is ready for the next cleaning session without lingering moisture. 6. High suction power. With strong suction power, the Dreame H12 Pro effectively picks up dirt, dust, and debris, while also ensuring that the cleaning solution is applied evenly to your floor for a spotless finish. 7. Smart brush roll. The mop has a self-cleaning brush roll that helps maintain the cleaning head, preventing clogs and ensuring smooth operation without interruptions. 8. Large water tank capacity. It comes with a large water tank that ensures you can clean for a longer period without needing to refill the tank constantly, making it convenient for cleaning bigger spaces. 9. Easy maintenance. The unit is designed for easy maintenance, with a self-cleaning mechanism that reduces the need for frequent manual cleaning. The mop pads can be easily removed and washed. 10. Ergonomic design. The Dreame H12 Pro features an ergonomic handle and a lightweight design, making it comfortable to use for extended cleaning sessions without straining your wrist or hand. Specifications. Suction power: high suction for efficient dirt pickup. Battery life: long-lasting battery for continuous cleaning without needing to recharge frequently. Charging time: the device can be recharged in a few hours for ready-to-go cleaning. Water tank capacity: large enough for extended use without frequent refills. Brush roll: self-cleaning brush roll for hassle-free maintenance. Weight: lightweight for easy maneuverability around the house. Smart features: automated cleaning adjustments and edge-to-edge coverage. Why it's ideal for you. The Dreame H12 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for individuals looking for a time-saving and effortless cleaning solution. With its cordless design and all-in-one functionality, it eliminates the need for separate vacuums and mops. Whether you're dealing with everyday dirt or sticky messes, this vacuum mop does it all with advanced smart technology and easy maintenance. The added hot air drying feature ensures the mop remains dry and ready to use again, while the large water tank and edge-to-edge cleaning make it an efficient tool for large areas. It's ideal for homes with hard floors, providing an all-around clean without any hassle.